Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Pet Treater Kit Pack. So this is $12.99 a month. It's a really, really, really good subscription. It just treats your pet. You know, they send treats, toys, just fun stuff, like little things for you as a pet owner. This is the December box, and they have, look at this, with that little pet stocking. Oh, and it says, I've been perfect all year, and you can put your pet's picture. So I'll have this first little Swifter next year. A little Swifter-rooney. Alright, there's nothing else in the bag. Everything is in here. When I pop this open and take my picture, like my first look in the box, Swifty was about this, so she is excited. I am too. What's in here? I love this. I love this subscription. It's so much fun. Alright, so our first item here is... what is that? What is that? Catnip canister. Ooh. Ooh, I'm not going to open it because I didn't take pictures yet. Kathy Ireland Loved Ones catnip canister. So if you look in the top here, there's catnip. And then you have just this canister that you can just go in. It looks cute on your counter. You know, innocuous enough that nobody would know what it even is. But you have your little catnip. Then we have a Bergen Whirly Pop. Roll for crazy tail action. It's a toy. Oh my gosh. So it's like one of those things that you go like this on a surface. I was kind of nervous. Is it going to do it? I don't know. Oh. Maybe we'll just sit it here. It's going to scare the stinkeroni. Oh, did it. Oh my goodness, that's fun. My kids will have fun with that. Alright, so we always get a sticker, and this one said, Meowie Christmas. So I think what I'll do, honestly, with most of these stickers, because I think I'll get like a little wooden, like a plaque, maybe paint it, like stain it with some stain, and then put these on there and like hang this up around Christmas time. And just give them out, because I think they're really fun too. You can make gifts for people with them. I think they're cool. Alright, then we've got, oh my gosh, Rattling Mouse and Catnip toy. Look, it's a duo. They're two blind mice. I don't know if they're blind. They have eyes. But they have little fun scarves, each of them. Oh, so you can tell them apart. All right. All right, next we have our card. You can take a picture of your cat and be featured. They always send like pet clothes out sometimes. So there was like a scarf last month. It was like very Harry Potter. All right, so we have Bear Bites. These are 100% all natural. Beef liver. There's just one ingredient, and it's beef liver. These are for dogs and cats. How crazy is that? Oh, they even have, this is small batch, because they even have like a batch date. That's cool. So I'm excited to try this. You can see it looks like jerky almost. See, I've never heard of that brand. All right. Then we have our share and get free stuff. So you can share your pet's photo and tag them, and then email the photo, and then you can win free gifts. There's that if you subscribe. There's also our final item is an Emerald Pet Feline Dental Treat. So these are nice to have just because they help your cat's teeth, and dental health is a big part of, for all living things, is a big part of your overall health. So things like this are good for them. This is also grain free. That's one thing I wanted to mention about their products, and the products that they include are usually, they're aware of allergies and things like that, which I think is really neat. So this says it has real turkey and duck. It's turducky. Promotes clean health and fresh breath. Grain-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. So that's everything that I received in my Pet Treater subscription for December. Another awesome mix for them. All that was only just $12.99. That's amazing. They also do have a dog box. I think that one's $25. I'll link down below with my affiliate link. I'll also link to my full blog review where you can check it all out, and I'll take some pictures of the cat loving her stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.